Hey guys, this is Edge Crypto. Thanks for checking out my new video. Today we are going to talk about the Bitcoin price and my prediction. Yeah, I was planned to record today's video on my laptop, but yeah, I'm kind of busy today, so I decided to make it on the phone again. Yeah. First of all, I would like to remind you to check out the video description and check out our community links, and feel free to join us over on Discord and Telegram. So, what's going on Bitcoin? Maybe to start on the 4 hour. Yeah, I think you remind that we're talking about this huge horizontal triangle right here, right? And maybe you remember that I was talking on Twitter about this case, that it's likely to get us something similar like a few days before, that we're bouncing on the lower support and maybe creating a W or something like that. I made a second tweet about it. For me, it's actually looking like we're maybe forming something different right now. It could be maybe a ascending triangle if you draw lines like maybe this. This is also a possible scenario, in my opinion. Maybe something like that. Rising wedge, horizontal, ascending triangle, something like that. A breakout would bring us all the way up. Breakout to the upside would bring us all the way, maybe. Breakout would bring us all the way up here, approximately at 60.6 maybe. And this would also mean that we are getting a breakout of this future horizontal triangle. But yeah, the time will tell. Maybe check out the price target from this bigger one. If you mention it like that, maybe putting it here. So you remember the smaller one right here. This one. If we get a breakout to the upside, would bring us all the way up here to this upper downward sloping resistance. What also would lead us in a breakout. So the breakout of this bigger one would bring us all the way up approximately 66.3, 66, something in that area. And yeah, in my opinion, this would bring us a completely other new potential of the Bitcoin price. I will show it in another chart. Let's check out this one. Give it a second. So, turn market cipher off. You remember, I was talking about this bigger rising wedge, which started here. First touch point is approximately in mid of December 2020, and it's clear rising wedge. In the daily time frame, we got 3 touch points in the upper side and multiple touch points on the support side. I have to delete these ones. Got multiple touch points. That means this is a confirmed rising wedge. Okay, I can't delete it, right? Okay, so sorry. Yeah, this yellow one should be the triangle, the horizontal triangle from the other chart. And yeah, if we remember, we mentioned a target of approximately 66, and if we're looking 66.3, something like here, would bring us exactly to the top of the wedge again. To be honest, a rising wedge is mostly a bearish pattern. But yeah, I think Bitcoin is much different than other assets. In the past, we are seeing so many rising wedges. They're breaking out to the upside. So let's see what's gonna happen. If we are breaking out to the upside, I would like to mention a target, maybe in that way. Okay, let's take this one. I think this is a conservative one. And if we are pulling this line up right here, so maybe make it some clearer, would be a target of approximately 83.8. So, but we are there in this case. We need a volume confirmed breakout and a retest to turn the upper resistance into support. If you can see here, we are breaking out, but can't confirm the breakout and turn this line into support. This is definitely what we are needing. So yeah, I have another chart prepared for you. This is a BLX chart. BLX chart is a very large chart with average prices from many different exchanges. And yeah, I will try to explain what we can see here. We have many lines drawing. These two green lines in the middle, right here, are 7 years support and resistance. We're breaking above, as you see right here. We're breaking above, right here, and turning it into support because we got a confirmed retest right here. The second thing is, you see this red line. This is a red curved line from all the way down from the beginning in 2010, 2011. And in this line, I touched every all-time high, or better called bull market high, right? Bull market high here, and right now we are testing it again. Right, you can see it right there. We're testing it again, and if we are looking the other bull trends, we touch this. This is on the weekly. Yeah, this is on the weekly time frame. We touched it once, and going to the next bear market, right? In 2017, 2018, we touched it once, and going to the next. Going to the next bear market right here. But right now it's a bit different than the bull markets before, right? We're nearly touched this line. This is a really flexible line. You can adjust this line a little bit. You can do, there's space. So I like to draw it maybe better in that way. So we got a nearly touch point right there. And if we're thinking that we got a similar moves than the bull markets before, this would mean that we are going in a bear trend here. But right now we are getting the second touch point, and this is definitely different than the years before. If you remember our horizontal triangle and also our rising wedge, if our horizontal triangle would break to the upside, we got a target of approximately, as I remember right, 66.3, right? And this would be 66.3. This would lead us above this really important all-time resistance. This is an all-time resistance. And if we are breaking above this line and retest this line and confirm it, or turn it into support, this would be a major move. This is the first time that Bitcoin could break above this line. This is completely new. And I think this is one of the hugest resistance what we are actually looking for to break this. If we break it and if we turn the resistance into support, I think that is really likely to test the upper yellow line, right? This is also an all-time resistance and all-time high target point. And you can see it on the right side. This would bring us potentially to 164.3. I think this is huge. So to get it overall, we need definitely, this is the right chart maybe. We need definitely this breakout from this horizontal triangle. Okay. I think, yeah, that's it. What we are actually looking for is this potential in the short term, really, really short term. This potential ascending triangle, maybe like that. So this is our first chart pattern, what we need to break out to the upside and confirm it to, yeah, get a domino effect, you know. This is a domino effect what we are looking for. So maybe make a quick look to market cipher and check market cipher what we gonna go potentially to see. 4-hour time frame. Yeah, the money flow is curving from the upside to the downside, but this is not the major time frame we need to looking for. We also see that the stochastic RSI right here is turning into the green, and we get great momentum trigger waves, what is definitely a bullish sign in my opinion. Maybe let's check the 30-minute. So this is also looking really great. Maybe make it big. So we got this great curvy red line. We got this great green stochastic RSI. Now we also get this great anchor wave, trigger wave, and now we need to see what the time will tell us in the 30-minute. Let's check the 50-minute. Also great, right? You can see it right there. We got a great anchor wave, and now it's leading in a potential great upside. So this is why we love to use market cipher in combination with basic TA. We see that upside potential in a market cipher B, and we see a potential ascending triangle. And I don't know, if I would stay on the sidelines right now, I would say that this is definitely a bullish setup, and I think the certainty that we are breaking to the upside is higher than we are breaking to the downside. So if I would stay on the sidelines right now, maybe I would wait a bit, wait for some more confidence in market cipher in the lower time frames, and start to enter a small position with a low leverage and a small amount of my trading portfolio to make sure that I don't miss that potential move. Just to remind you again, guys, the apex of this horizontal triangle in the worst case is 27th, 28th, maybe 25th if you're going here, March. This is the apex breakout. Okay, if you like this content, write me a short comment, share it with your friends, press the like button, definitely subscribe to the channel. I hope I could help you and give you a great view on the potential of the Bitcoin price in the short term, maybe short term or midterm. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we will see us as soon as possible. Bye bye.